Welcome to Millennium Computers Fast Online Tutorials for Human Resource Reporting. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use your human resources employee data to create an organization chart in Microsoft Visio. Organization charts are an optional setting, and your institution may not have it on the menu. Expand the President to see who reports to that position. Any positions with the expand icon also has other positions reporting to them. You can click any name to list position details for that employee. Please note, however, that you must be assigned the role called HR_payroll to view the data. You can also search for an employee or position to list those details. Henry's current position is a University Secretary Registrar, and when I scroll down, I can see the positions he previously held. I am going to create an organization chart to show the lines of responsibility to the position held by Harry Pilsano. There are several, and 3 of them also have other positions reporting to them. And when I create the organization chart, these 3 positions will also show who reports to them. When you click the Visio icon, it saves all data for the highlighted position and anyone that reports to that position. What we want to do now is save the data into an Excel spreadsheet, and then we can import that data into Visio. A file name is inserted, but if you change it, make a note of the name. Find the folder you want to save this file to, and then click Save. I have opened Microsoft Visio 2007. If you are using an older version, it may look a bit different. In the Getting Started section, I can click Business to find the org chart wizard. However, you can also open it from the menu by clicking File, then New, then Business, and then the org chart wizard. I believe older versions don't have a menu option called Business, and if so, just skip that step. Over on the right, I've kept it at US units with measurements in inches, but you can also change it to the metric option. And now I'm going to create the organization chart. For the first step, you want to create the org chart from information that's already stored in a file or database, so make sure the first radio button is selected and then click Next. For where the organization data is stored, click the option that says a text, Org Plus, or Excel file. In older versions of Visio, you may have to select a radio button for this step. Click Browse to find the file you previously saved on your computer. If you are using a different language than English, you can change it and then click Next. From these lists, you need to select the fields, or rather column names, from the Excel file that have the information for the org chart. This is the list, and also a little snippet of the Excel file to show you the column titles. The corresponding field for the name, or employee, is name_last first, and for reports to, which identifies the employee's manager, the field is called Parent ID. The first name field is optional, and I am going to leave it at none. In this step, you want to select the fields from the Excel file that you want to display in the organization chart. I chose 3 fields, and any more than that would likely be a bit crowded. Over on the left is a preview of what each of the boxes in the org chart will look like. The next step is not needed, so I am going to skip it. To control how the org chart displays on the page, make sure the first option is selected. And this is the last step of the wizard. Henry Pilsano's name is here because his name will be at the top of the page, and now I can click Finish. And here is the organization chart with the University Secretary Registrar at the top and all employees that report to him, including the academic advisor and the registrars for student recruits and admissions.